We'll guide you through how to reset all settings on Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you want to go and do this, perhaps you want to just go and have a fresh start. Just remember, you aren't going to lose any data. So things like your photos, your files, your contacts, they're all going to go and remain here. But different things you've gone and set up will go and be removed. For example, your Wi-Fi connections, Bluetooth connections, and things like that. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. So what you need to do is go and swipe up like so, and we need to go and locate these settings. As you can see, you can go and swipe across it and go and find them and go and search the top if needed. You should go and find them on the first page though by default, so you can then open up settings. Next, you need to go and scroll down, and we're looking for the option for general management. As you can see, there it is, and you want to then go and tap on it, wait for it to load, and in general management, you then want to go and scroll down. At the bottom, the second to last option, you should go and find reset, and we can then tap on it. If you struggle to go and find it, you can use the search function in the top right, and you can go and type in reset like so, wait for it to load. You'll have to go and search your entire phone settings, and then you'll say reset, and we can go and tap on it. Then you're going to be brought to it, and we can tap on it. Now we can go and scroll down. At the top of the reset list, you should find the option for reset all settings. There are other options as well, but we're going to do a reset all settings. So tap there. And it then says this will reset all the settings on your phone except security settings, language settings, accounts, personal data, and settings for downloaded apps. So what you can do is go and press reset settings like so, then you can press reset at the bottom, and the device will now go and restart to reset the settings. So go and wait, be patient, shortly it will go black. You can see the screen has now gone black. It's going to automatically turn back on. You don't need to go and do anything. The process will complete by itself, as you can see. When it comes back on, you can then go and unlock it and just go and wait for it to start. Now we can go and swipe up and come to the settings, and you're going to go and find they're all going to be reset. So you can come back to connections, and what I can then do is go and connect to Wi-Fi. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.